Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another big old Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. And now Prime Day is just around the corner. You might want to take an early jump and grab one of these for yourself. And this will be something special, I do believe. To be honest, I'm not sure what it is, but it is heavy, so mailman was not happy today. They had their Sunday drop-off, but here we go. One cut there. So big old box, so here we go. Hopefully it doesn't fall. What do we have here? Oh wow, coming from Womow. Thank you guys. And YouTubers, you guys could click the link and get one of these at a low cost. We got one of these bad boys, Cordless vacuum cleaner. There we go. What's this say? Sorry for moving you guys too much. There we go. Not hard doing it one hand. There we go. We made it. Bada boom. Got out of the box. Bam. I'll put it sideways. Put it on the ground. We're moving around. Here we are. Cordless vacuum cleaner W9. Looks really nice. Cordless, brushless, lithium, max mode, cyclone technology, lightweight. Oh boy. Oh yeah, this is definitely a nice one. Grab yourself one, your parents one, and if you have a friend that has a housewarming gift, that's a really nice one to pick up for your apartment, condo, your office. Here we go. See all the goodies. I gotta cut it there. Bada boom. Bada bing. Here we go. That was easy. Fold you down. Fold this up. That's what it's all about. Here we are. Oh boy. We got some goodies in here. I might actually need that. Oh boy, oh boy. We got the brushes right here. We got that brush. We got another brush, probably for like the carpet area, the stairs, stuff like that. Detail your car. There's that brush. Dude, I got multiple accessories in between the couch, right here. Yeah, that's gonna take me a minute to put together. And we got the other main one. So definitely not a good amount of accessories. Stand. Battery. Power. Here is the charging station. Or the battery, is it? We'll figure that out. So, this might be a little bit long one. All you gotta do, sit back. Oh boy, that was gunner. Got the flexible hose. And we got some screws. Oh yes. And here is the main. And this is portable too. You can detach it. Take it, like I said, down the stairs. Do the stairs and stuff. On the go, do your car. So, alright, we got it all out of the box. Here we go. We could clear this area up a little bit. So definitely sit back and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got it pretty much set up. It was really simple. I didn't use the instructions this time, so, but the battery pack goes here. And it's easy to pull apart. I'll show you guys that in a second. I did a little vacuum and got a little dust in there. And this little rod goes first. You just plug it all the way down here until it clicks in. And it's easy to change those brushes. And that's what it looks like there. And the power goes right in back here. You can take this out and then use the extension for like the car, the stairs and stuff like that. So let me show you this part. Back up a little bit. It's quiet. Got a nice little light. Oh, that's how much power is left. So I got like 2 bars. I can charge it a little bit more. And once it's fully charged, it'll be good to go. But it's going right now, so that's what it looks like. And we'll go here. So you go low with it, underneath the desk. And look at that light. So you got the swivel. Oh, that's crazy. Oops. A really cool vacuum from Womow. I do believe. Like I said, that's the battery. There's got some dirt going around there. Yeah, it's super quiet though. And let me pause you guys. I'm gonna switch. Oh, another quick thing right here. There's a little button. Press it and grab that. It tilts. See that? There we go. And it's, oops. There you go. That's how you open it. And close it. There you go. Lock it in place. And now to take it apart, I'm gonna go, oops. Try this like this. Here we go. Oops. There we go. See? And these metal prongs right here, if you guys could see them on the side, right there where my pinky is. 2 prongs. Make sure it connects to this 2 spots right here. And then, like I said, you can take this on the road into your car. Connect this hose into, I believe this one should be good. Oh. Let's see. Okay, that locked in. And there you go. For this, go like this. Pop. And same with this. Oh. And like that. Boom. And then you could add the extension like that. You got the extension. And that's simple too. All you gotta go is like this. Take this. Lock it in. See? And you got all that going on. And take apart. Pull. Switch it to brush. And shoot. Oh, that's what it goes. Okay. I forgot. My bad. And you go like this. Somehow. There you go. Well, pop in. Bada boom. So really cool, really quiet, and a great cost right now. All you gotta do is click the link and find out what the cost and add it to your cart, and they'll ship this out to you guys in no time. So definitely take advantage of the early bird Amazon Prime Day and check them out. Womow. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I butchered it, I do apologize, but I think it's Womow. But pretty cool though. Like I showed you how easy it was to clean. Everything is good to go. Like I said, charging pack is down there. And that's easy to take apart. Squeeze on the side and pull down. Bada boom. And boom. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great night. And see you soon.